Hello students, let's move on to the second part of lesson number 5, India, Agriculture, Industry and Transportation. In the previous video, we have discussed about the agriculture of India. In this video, we will discuss about industries of India. Many industries depend on agriculture either directly or indirectly. But industries are classified into three types on the basis of the money invested, number of people or employees working in that industry, and the quantity of production. Quantity of production may be the industry is producing for that particular area or for the whole country, or they are exporting to other countries also. So on the basis of these three important points, that is investment, number of employees and quantity of production, the industries are classified into three types: cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale or heavy industries. In this flowchart, I have given you some examples of cottage industry, small scale industry and large scale industry. Cottage industries mainly use traditional techniques of production or simple methods of production. When people make things at home in which the investment is very low, like incense stick, puppet, furniture, pickle, etc., is called cottage industry. Mainly the people working in the cottage industries are their own family members. So cottage industry does not have a particular factory, but it works from home also. Khadi, Gramodyog, handlooms are some of the examples of cottage industries. Small scale industry consists of a factory, some machinery, some workers, and in which investment is more than cottage industry. In small scale industries, toys, TV, refrigerator, plastic items are made. Some industries start as a cottage industry, but when they get profit, they increase their production. They start using new techniques of production and new machinery, and these cottage industry becomes small scale industry. Heavy industries. Heavy industries are those industries in which big factory, big machinery and large number of workers work. It requires heavy investment, so it is called heavy industry. It includes iron and steel, motor cars, cement industries, etc. Large scale industry produce more than small scale industry. The extent of the market is much larger. They even export their product to other countries also. Large scale industry use modern techniques of production. Now let's have a look on some of the basic industries of India. India is known as the largest producer of cotton. So cotton textile has developed in India in Ahmedabad, Surat, Mumbai and Coimbatore. Woolen industry. This industry was started as a cottage industry and now it has developed into an important big industry. It has developed in Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Haryana. Sugar industry. Sugarcane juice is required to make sugar. Sugar industry is mainly developed in Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu. India is the second largest sugar producer of the world. Again, India is the second largest producer of cement. In recent years, the cement industry has rapidly developed in India. The states like Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, etc. are known for cement industry. Do you know, children, India manufactured first machine-made paper in 1812. Paper industry is known as one of the largest industry. Paper is used daily by everyone. In India, the paper mills are situated in West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, and Gujarat. Paper used in newspapers is made in Nepanagar, Madhya Pradesh. The currency note paper is made in Hoshanabad and Devas. Paper industry uses a lot of raw materials like wood pulp, water, and also human resources. Paper industry has created a large number of employment throughout the country, which has helped the people to earn their livelihood. Iron and steel industry. From small nails to huge machinery and their spare parts, everything is made by iron and steel industry. Have you heard about Tata industry? Yes, Jamshedji Tata is known as the father of iron and steel industry. Iron and steel industry in India are located in Bhilai, Bokaro, Bhadravati and Jamshedpur. Jute industry. This is also one of the most important industry of India. Bengal jute is exported to other countries also. Jute cloth, gunny bags, jute bags, etc. are made from jute fiber. Nowadays, the demand for gunny bags and jute bags have reduced. In its place, bags made from artificial fibers are in demand. The petrochemicals industries. In mineral oil is extracted from the interior of the earth. There are many components in mineral oil. Different components are separated after its purification to get kerosene, diesel, petrol, tar, coal, etc. This industry is dependent on mineral oil. The refineries in Vadodara, Jamnagar, Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, Chennai, etc. purify mineral oil. The dirt or the residue that is left out after the purification of mineral oil are being used by the dyeing and pharmaceutical industries. Various chemicals, chemical fertilizers, soda ash, petrochemicals, etc., are produced as a part of the dyeing and the pharmaceutical industry. Today, chemical fertilizers are used more in agriculture. The chemical fertilizer factory are located at Kalol, Vadodara, Sindri, Mumbai, Gorakhpur, and Durgapur. Dear children, you can see the table given on this page. Think and write which industries will depend on agriculture, which industries depend on minerals, and which industries depend on farming. So this was all. In the next video, I will be back with information about transportation in India. Till then, please read your textbook thoroughly. Thank you.